Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, another video, and this time it's going to be quite interesting about this video which you're gonna watch in some time. Ellaru hegidira. I hope everyone is doing great and amazing. I am happy that I got some good response in terms of about the Humpy ride that we went. I hope that you have already watched that video. If not, go ahead and check on my YouTube channel. You'll be able to see that. And in this video, I'm gonna make sure that I give you the best setup in terms of about motovlogging, right? And because I did try a lot of things on Motovlogging Setup, I did do a lot of experiments, but this is the thing I think it's gonna work best. So I'm gonna show how exactly the Motovlogging setup that I've done, and I'll also showcase you two different types of Motovlogging setup on a helmet, so which you're going to see in a few minutes now. So let me open up my helmets. As I said, guys, I have two different set of helmets, which is one, my AGV Corsa R. This is a carbon fiber helmet, right? So the way you can set up is, I'll just come back to it. Another helmet that I have is my Axis helmet, right? If you haven't seen the unboxing of these two helmets, just go ahead and check out on the on my channel, so that you'll be able to see that, right? So there are two ways to do your motovlogging setup. First, I'll come to the way how exactly you need to mount, and then followed by the rest of the aspects as well, like in terms of mic and everything. I'll come to it a little later, right? So there's one aspect which you can try. So this is an AGV Corsa helmet, as I said. So there is a strap sort of a model that you get, which you can install, right? One, you can buy this strap online. Every product that I'm going to talk about will be in the description, so go ahead and buy if you want it, and you can just do this, right? One of the reasons I did this is because while I don't want to put M seal, because it's going to stick, it's a carbon fiber helmet, I don't want to mess the helmet, so that's one of the reasons it is done. But there's a drawback to it if you put this. So AGV Corsa R has this option of locking the buttons here, right? It has two sort of locking, one here and the other one is like complete lock. So I'm okay with one lock, and there's no much wind blast, so that's one of the reasons I just did this. So it should be okay for me. And this is the pattern one, right, which is using Teslin or a strap, whatever you call. And the second aspect is typical stuff, which is using M seal, right? You can see here I put the M seal here, and with good Fevi bonding, everything. There are a lot of videos of how exactly you can make it. I'd really like the one which Augie F have put it, so I just followed the instructions given by him. I think it's pretty good, so I just try this. So now that you understood there is two patterns of helmet, so I was okay to do this, but I didn't want to go ahead and mess up with AGV, right? So this is the pattern of two things that you have to do. And whatever camera you use for motovlogging, guys, trust me, the best is GoPro. No other camera can beat that, because there's multiple options. So today for demo I'm using GoPro Hero 8. So this also has a media mod. There's a reason why I got media mod, because I was actually a little scared in terms of how exactly the media mod would work, but this is actually pretty solid. It also acts as a case and everything, right? And make sure to put a tempered glass on top of here, right, because this lens is interchangeable. So I did it the day I got it. You can go ahead and see my unboxing video of GoPro 8, that is also covered under there. So after this, what you have to do is, so GoPro Hero 8 comes with these two patterns, right? So I'll just show you how exactly I fix the helmet, but even before that I'll go to showcase you guys how I mount the mic. So this is the pattern, right? So here is the external thing which connects to the GoPro, right? And I'll just keep this aside. So this has gone inside, and I would encourage you to do or tuck in however you want. But one trick that I want to tell you is, while you order any sort of lavalier mic, you will get a small sort of pin that you actually put it to the shirt or a collar, whatever you call. So what I've done is, an AGV helmet, for example, so I've put this here towards my left, which is when I'm putting my helmet, the mic is towards my left here, right? So what I've done is, so I've just done very simple thing. I've just got a wind muffler. I've removed the small muffler that not muffler, I would say wind muff, what you've got in the mic. I just removed, and I have not done any sort of plasticing around. I've just removed and just put this thing as a muff. So I can just show an example how exactly it looks. So this is how it looks, right? So all the links are description. So remove the main thing that you get, the smaller one, a black color one, and buy this, and then just put it inside that. It will go automatically inside this, so nothing to worry about it, right? So, and about the mic, I also put that inside the description. So the best part is while you put this wind muff here, right, so that there's a collar mic that you get, which is a sort of a clip. So make sure that you somehow manage and attach it. In AGV there is this rescue pull option, so I have it inside as well. So I've just put it there so it doesn't move, which ideally means there will be no any sort of audio distortion, right? So that is the thing that I've done. And later take the GoPro and I just put it here, right? And then it's gonna stand like this, and it's gonna move slightly here in this pattern, and this works on both the helmets. So this is the motovlogging setup that I use, and angle is quite easy in GoPro. The moment you connect GoPro to your camera, you will be able to connect through Wi-Fi, which is much seamless than any other action camera that I've at least seen. What you have to do is you have to just go to GoPro preferences setting, change your settings to super view, which ideally means it zooms inside and it gives you that wide angle, right, which you would have already seen in my previous riding videos, right? So do that, and this is going to help you a lot. And if you have any other questions or doubts around this, feel free to comment down below. I'll make sure that I will put as much as possible answers so that you can go ahead and do it. If you want any specific details, comment down below. I'll be happy to do another video. So this is the topics that I wanted to cover, guys. And so in the GoPro you get sort of a mount which is straight, right, and use J mount so that the angle will slightly become like this on the helmet. And in the super view mode, it just zooms much wider and zooms inside, and the view would be much really better. So try this out. I'm very sure it works, and all the products that I just spoke about will be in the description. Meanwhile, I will catch you guys with some good news coming up quite shortly, in a week, less than a week's time. So just hold on to it. Just maybe a hint. Am I getting another bike? Don't know. Wait for a week and you'll be able to know that. Alright, so guys, meanwhile, take care. I'll talk to you later, maybe with some other video, some other travel story, or some other encouraging thing, or some other about bikes and anything. We'll catch up in the next video. So meanwhile, take care. See you. Bye.